everyone, this is me Satya here, and I'm doing your first week of May reading, and this is going to be for the sign of Cancer. So let's see how this week is going to be for the Cancerians. I will be adding charms, I will be putting out cards as well, so stay tuned, and oracle cards as well. And yeah, so stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you, it's a general read. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram, where I do upload daily reads. So yeah, let's see what is coming up for Cancerians for this week, which has already started. Let's begin. What can you expect coming up for you for the first week time? Let's begin. Seven of Swords, the Fool, Four of Wands, wow, the Wheel of Fortune. Now, for those of you who have been in toxic relationships, I feel like you are setting yourself free from that particular scenarios. You are running away from that. If you have been in relationship that was not fulfilling, happy content, you are definitely running away from it. The ones who have been single, I feel like you are running or rushing towards a new connection in your life, which is ready to offer you something stable, beautiful, just like a getting married or something, because it seems like that kind of energy. Major shift is happening for majority of Cancerians out there in this week time. If you are single, you are definitely getting to be with someone. If you are with someone, I feel like there's a strong chance of you leaving that person and go single again. Why? The connection could be toxic, the connection could be having a third party situation, the connection could be more like a chaos for you in your life, like it adds negativity in your life. So that could be the reason why you want to rush away from that connection, that person, that situation. For some of you, the same energies is going to be applicable to you in your work and career zone as well. Maybe you are leaving one situation in your work front, and maybe you are going towards taking a new start in another company, firm, or maybe you're winding up one business and starting a new business altogether. Whatever decision that you are taking, you're going into a connection, you're walking out of a connection, either way you are doing things that's going to make you very happy, that's going to make you feel very good, that's going to bring you major changes, major shifts in this week time for you in your life, which I believe are positive, which I believe are going to be good for you as well. Let's see, let's take more cards here. Five of Wands, Two of Swords, decisions, major decisions are coming up. Six of Pentacles and Three of Swords. Now, I feel like underneath the deck, we do have the Four of Pentacles. Whatever decisions that you are making in this week time, it seems like, those decisions have been the one that you have been pending for quite some time. You already, or you always knew that you had to make those decisions. Whether you are leaving a specific someone or whether you are taking somebody's, offer towards you. This decision has been something on your mind. Like, this thing, this matter had always been on your mind, and you were unable to make a decision around it. But now in this week time, you're definitely making that decision, because you making this decision itself will add a lot of stability in your life. Like, you running away from this decision is like, you were adding more stress to your life for no good reason. Even though I feel like the decision is not going to be easy. It's maybe that has been the reason why you took your time to decide, but it wasn't easy. It wasn't. Even if you are going into a connection, still it wasn't an easy decision for you, because you were not ready to go for it. Maybe you have been hurt in the past a lot, that you were not ready to take on to a new connection, new person. You wanted to have your self gathered up again, strong enough again to go for it again. Maybe that has been the reason why you were like running away from connections and relationships. But yes, now is going to be the time when you are going to let go of the control and let yourself decide what you should have decided way back in times. So I feel like it's going to be one of the weeks which is going to be like a game changer or life changer for you, because you are going to make the major decisions which are definitely going to bring you major changes in your life. Let's take more cards here. Wow. Abundant, life is waiting ahead for you. And wow. Four of Pentacles, as you let go of things, as you let go of the control, Ace of Pentacles, the Star, and the Two of Cups. Underneath that, we do have the Page of Cups and the King of Cups. I feel like, for majority of you, you might have been holding on to a specific someone which was toxic, which was like maybe in a third party situation. Now you are finally making a choice for yourself. Maybe you are making that choice because you already got another person in your life. Maybe that could have been the reason as well. Maybe you were stuck. Shall I leave this person, toxic one, or shall I, just continue with that person? But then somebody good comes in your life who makes you feel like, now is the perfect time that you can break free from the toxic one and move to the one that you can, trust and rely upon for your happiness and abundance. This person is like a miraculous gift of God to you, for sure. Trust me on that. Especially if you have been struggling in your love life, this major shift is definitely going to bless you with something beautiful that you deserve. So a beautiful week ahead for you. In terms of your love life, especially, is what I'm picking up, and you're getting rid of a toxic person for sure in this week time. So let's see what the charms have to add to the read for you guys. Let's see. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the reads. Charms we will include as we reach towards the end of the read. Let's see what it says. Time. You are trying too hard. Give it time. For some of you, I feel like, you were trying too hard to make the connection work, and you gave it all your time. And maybe for some of you, you're still giving your time to it. For some of you, maybe it will be like, since this is a general read, for some of you, maybe giving it the time might make things work for you in your connection with your specific someone. But for majority of you, I feel like, you are giving up on that, and now you're choosing somebody else over the past person. Let's see, what else do we have? So let's see what this card suggests. Miracles and blessings. Everything has its gift. You are definitely attracting a lot of miracles and blessings, and you deserve them, because I feel like, you have been through a lot. Number 13 could be maybe your date of birth. Maybe it's the date of birth of the person that you are dealing with, or maybe number 13 could be significant number for you in the month of May overall, or in this week specifically as well. So let's take more cards. Let's see what else do we have coming up for Cancerians for this week time. Insecurity. For some of you, you might have been very insecure lately. Maybe you felt like, what if you leave the toxic connection, what's going to happen next? You didn't see anybody coming in your life new, so which would give you this courage enough to go for leaving a specific someone who was toxic. As like, I feel like, for majority of you, maybe you got a new person in your life, and that's the time when you're leaving the past person which was toxic. Otherwise you wouldn't have been able to make that decision. It would have been very hard for you to do so, maybe because you felt like, what if I don't meet anybody else later on? What if I never meet the one who is going to take care of me and my family, if you have kids with a specific someone? But now you are, your insecurities are gone, and with the help of God, you are getting somebody who is going to take care of you and your family if you have one as well. So yeah, for some of you, you could have been in a connection which was toxic, because maybe you have kids with that person, and maybe you had your insecurity. What if you marry another person? Maybe the person is gonna take the kids away from you as well. That could be the case for some of you as well. But whatever the case has been, the universe is definitely helping you through this path now. A time for healing. It's time for you to heal yourself. It's time for you to let go of the whatever it was that you were holding on to, and just embrace the newness coming in your life. Let's see what the charms have to add to the read. So we do have two alphabets, S and a T. It can be your name initial of the person that you are dealing with. Then we do have Seven of Cups. You had a lot of cloudedness around your decision that you are making in this week time. Love, dream, hope, and trust. It's time for you to love. It's time for you to trust. It's time for you to dream big and make that dream come reality. It's time for you to spread your wings and enjoy your life. So yeah, that's the message coming up for you for this week time. If the reading resonates with you, do like, share, and subscribe. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Yeah, so till I do the next reading for you guys, you can take care of yourself, and yeah, I'll see you later. Bye bye.